So far, we've been here since Thursday. It was awesome. The country, the way through here, it was awesome. The nature is perfect.
This is good, how to say, sport, to have it, you know, that we can meet other colleagues from the other countries. Considering that we have 8 or 7 teams from Bosnia, the level of football guys is best. It's best till this year. Yeah.
I participated in 4 tournaments. This is the best organization I've ever seen so far. And the guys from the headquarters from Bosnia, they were the perfect hosts. Everything they've done so far is just perfect.